brake rotors. As you can see, I already did it, but I'm gonna show you obviously how to do it.
So as you can see, I have here my new brake rotor, and I will be changing in this Lancer '06 Lancer, as you can see. So first of all, you need to take off your wheel, and then we're gonna turn the steering wheel to this side because it's easier to do it like this. Then we're gonna take off these two bolts that I'm showing you, so we can leave the brake caliper. As you can see, I already take it off just like this. Unscrew it and just take your caliper and put it in your strut tower, like so, as you can see. So then you need to take off your brake pads. It's easy, as you can see. Then we're gonna take off and unscrew these two bolts, you can see with the light, this one and this one. So after you take it off, you need to take off also the brake caliper. Sorry, it's your brake caliper bracket. So after you take off your bracket, you only need to take off your rotor. If you can do it like this with your hand, you need to punch it with a hammer like this because it's rust welded to the hub. So as you can see, you only take it off, and we're gonna prepare the surface for the new brake rotor. So I will be cleaning the surface of the hub with this wiring brush, and after I will put in some anti-seize to the hub to eliminate that rust welding that we had before. So you can see I'm just gonna put a little bit of this anti-seize. You don't need to put a lot. So after you put your anti-seize, you want to clean your new rotor because it have oil from the factory. So as you can see, you can clean it like this with brake cleaner or with soap and water. So with the rotor clean, both sides clean, we are gonna put the new brake rotor on the hub. You can see. So take a knot, and put it like that. Then you're gonna prepare your bolts with some thread locker. Sorry, with some Loctite, and just put your bracket, your caliper bracket, and screw your bolts So we're gonna take our torque range and set it to 74 foot-pound of torque to tighten the caliper bracket bolts. So as you can see, I put a little bit of anti-seize on those pins, but I'm missing one, so I'm gonna replace it, don't worry. After this, I'm gonna put some anti-seize in both of the brake pads and just install it with my hand. As you can see, it's not difficult to install it, so you can do it. As you can see, I have my both brake pads on. So then I'm gonna take the brake caliper and compress the piston with a C-clamp like this. Then you wanna loop your caliper pins, but first we gonna clean it with this, and then we're gonna lube it with some silicone paste. As you can see here, just put a little bit of silicone paste in this area of the pin, and then just loop the inside of the bracket like this. So the pin that you have above, you are gonna tie it to 62 foot-pound of torque, and the one that you have below, this one, you are gonna tie it to 37 foot-pound of torque. Do not forget to take off this nut. So after you take it off, you are going to open your brake liquid reservoir and go inside your car and push several times your brake pedal. Then you just need to put your wheel on, and that's it. You change your brake rotors. So both sides of the car, it's the same way as you see in this video, it's the same way. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful. So take care and see you in the next video.